Can you feel that? That's the sound of freedom. But with so many electric skateboards claiming to be the best, how do you choose the one that won't leave you stranded? Or worse, underwhelmed? We didn't just read the specs, we put them to the test. Over 100 miles of pavement, hills, and pure speed. Today, we're crowning the top 5 electric skateboards of 2025. We've got a board that climbs hills like a monster, a budget option that will shock you, and the number 1 pick, the board that redefined what we thought was possible on 4 wheels. This isn't just a list, it's the ultimate showdown. Number 1. Meepo Mini Series Electric Skateboard. Compact design, big ambitions, with an 8-ply maple and bamboo deck, a 546mm wheelbase, and lightweight 9 kg build, the Mini 3 Max is crafted for agile city rides, small enough to carry, powerful enough to conquer. Dual 800W motors, unleashed speed, feel the thrill of 28 miles per hour, 45 kph, top speed with dual hub motors and conquer up to 30% hill grades with ease. Small board, unstoppable force. Ride further with 20 miles of range, powered by a 324Wh battery pack, 12S3P. The Mini 3 Max lets you explore more, ride up to 20 miles, 32 kilometers, on a single charge. Recharge fully in just 3 hours. Smooth power at your fingertips, with the LYFOC 24HESC and M6C remote. Enjoy precise throttle control, smooth braking, and responsive performance, making every ride intuitive and thrilling. Ready for the real world, tough IPX5 water resistance, premium PU wheels, 90 by 60 mm, and 100A orange bushings ensure smooth rides over uneven streets and rainy conditions. Built to keep you moving. Number 2. Exway Atlas All-Terrain. The Atlas Pro 2WD all-terrain electric skateboard with dual 1600W belt motors generates a max power of 3200W and 50% hill climbing, giving you an adrenaline rush when accelerating and conquering steep hills. The 701WH battery offers up to 38 kilometers of range. The electric longboard has the power and range for both short commutes and extended adventures. You'll never feel limited by a lack of performance or battery life. Durable yet safe, the Atlas Pro professional skateboard built with a high-strength carbon fiber unibody deck handles rough riding with ease. Its sturdy yet lightweight build gives you the freedom to ride hard without fear of damage or instability. Whether you're dodging cracks in the sidewalk or dropping into steep dirt paths, can take it all in stride. Its durable frame offers peace of mind so you can push the limits of your riding. Number 3. isinwheel V4/V6/V6 Pro/V8/V10. isinwheel V10 electric skateboard is capable of propelling riders to speeds that were previously unimaginable for electric skateboards. With top speeds reaching up to 32 miles per hour, 52 kilometers per hour, this electric skateboard is not just for casual cruising but is geared towards adrenaline junkies and serious commuters alike. The powerful motor ensures rapid acceleration, allowing riders to go from 0 to 32 miles per hour in mere seconds. There are 4 modes to adjust. Robust battery life. The 3000W off-road longboard is equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that offers extended range capabilities. Riders can expect to travel up to 28 miles, 45 kilometers, on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and terrain. This range makes it a viable option for daily commuting, reducing the need for frequent recharges and offering more freedom to explore. Design and build quality. The V10 electric skateboard is different from traditional electric skateboards in that it adds a layer of fiberglass in addition to the premium 8-ply maple. This ensures a lightweight yet sturdy build, capable of withstanding the stresses of high-speed riding in rough terrains. The 6-inch outer honeycomb rubber off-road wheels are designed for both on-road and off-road use, offering versatility for various riding environments. Number 4. Meepo Bamboo Series. The Meepo Bamboo Series is a line of electric skateboards made by Meepo, a brand known for creating high-performance yet affordable e-boards. The Bamboo Series is specifically designed for riders who want a smooth, comfortable ride while also benefiting from higher quality materials and more advanced features compared to the standard models. Here's a breakdown of some of the key features typically found in the Meepo Bamboo series. Bamboo Deck. The Bamboo Deck gives the board a natural, flexible feel, which enhances ride comfort and shock absorption. Bamboo is known for being lightweight, durable, and eco-friendly, making it an ideal choice for skateboard decks. Powerful motors. The Bamboo series usually comes with dual hub motors or belt-driven motors that provide strong acceleration and a top speed around 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour, depending on the model. These motors are designed to give riders a fun, fast ride with plenty of torque for hill climbing. Number 5. INMOTION E20 Electric Unicycle. If you're starting out with electric unicycles, or want something easier to ride than a single-wheel EUC, the INMOTION E20 is a strong pick. Good stability, decent range and speed for beginners, solid features, and relatively affordable in its category. It's not for high performance or very steep terrain, but for everyday commuting plus fun plus learning, it's a very reasonable choice. And that's the lineup. From the ultimate budget beast to the king of the hill, one of these boards is your ticket to the ride of your life. My advice? Match the board to your riding style. If you're ready to join the e-skate revolution, I've got you covered. All the links to check out the latest prices and deals for every single board we featured are in the video description down below. If you felt the adrenaline from this video, smash that like button. It helps us make more content like this. Share this with your crew and plan your next group ride. And if you want to stay on the cutting edge of personal electric vehicles, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Now get out there and ride.